If you're looking to create a job listing on Oyster, you've come to the right place. This quick guide will walk you through the process step by step so you can get your job posting up and running in no time. Let's dive straight into how you can create a job listing on Oyster. First, you'll need to log into your Oyster account. If you're new to the platform, you can sign up using the link below for an exclusive free trial, which gives you access to all the powerful tools Oyster has to offer. Once you're in, go ahead and navigate to the Jobs section on your dashboard. You'll see a button that says Create Job Listing. Click on it to start the process. This is where you'll enter all the details about the position you're hiring for. Let's go through what you'll need. Start with the job title. Be clear and specific. A good job title will ensure you attract the right candidates from the start. After that, you'll be prompted to select the job type, whether it's full-time, part-time, or contract. Next, you'll fill in the job description. This is where you really get to showcase the role, the company, and the impact the position will have. Be detailed here, but concise. Candidates want to know what their day-to-day will look like, so highlight key responsibilities and expectations. Keep it clear and engaging so the right applicants feel inspired to apply. Then you'll set the location. Oyster allows you to list jobs globally, so whether you're hiring for a position in New York or New Delhi, you can specify where the role will be based or if it's remote. Make sure to use clear language to let candidates know if this is a remote position or if location flexibility is offered. Now let's talk about the qualification section. Here, you'll specify the key skills, experience, and education required for the role. Think of this as a checklist to help you filter through applicants and attract those who meet your criteria. It's also helpful to mention any nice-to-have skills, so you can get a well-rounded pool of candidates. Once all the main details are filled in, you'll move on to setting your compensation and benefits. Oyster lets you include salary ranges, equity options, and any other perks that come with the role, like healthcare, remote work, or professional development opportunities. Finally, before publishing your listing, take a moment to review everything. Ensure all information is accurate and clear to avoid any confusion down the line. Once you're satisfied, click Publish, and your job listing will be live. Creating a job listing on Oyster is really straightforward, and the platform's user-friendly interface makes it easy for anyone to set up a professional job posting. With the free trial linked below, you can explore all Oyster's features risk-free and streamline your hiring process. Remember, this video is brought to you by our exclusive offer, so don't forget to check out the link below for an extended free trial. That's it for today. Creating a job listing on Oyster has never been easier. Thanks for watching and good luck with your hiring process.